Ankasa is self in Fante. Please take note of the following personal pronouns used in Fante. Me, my, wo, you, ono, him or her, ye, us. I mentioned 4 personal pronouns used in Fante. Do you agree that the ending alphabets of these 4 pronouns just mentioned all ends in a vowel? We have the following: a, o, and e. All these are vowels. When we want to add up this word self, which we call it in Fante Ankasa, to these 4 personal pronouns mentioned, there is a rule that applies. The word Ankasa begins with a vowel, and these 4 personal pronouns also ends with a vowel. We wouldn't allow 2 vowels, that is the one ending in the personal pronoun and the one starting in the word self, that is Ankasa, to mate. No. So when it happens like that, what do? Let's take note of the following. Me is a pronoun, like we have said already, plus Ankasa. What you get is Mankasa. The vowel A on the personal pronoun me, which is mine, disappears. So it now becomes Mankasa. Mankasa. This personal pronoun wo, which is you in English, when we add up Ankasa, self, the same rule applies. O, that is O in Fante, disappears. It becomes Wankasa. Now, you can do the following. Ono, Ankasa. How do you say it? Yes, you are right. Onankasa. Ye, Ankasa. Put it together. What do we get? What did you say? You are right. Yankasa.